Hey kids, welcome to another one of these Cool Tool Tuesday videos. I am Phil Shimbine and I'm holding my hands quite awkwardly. We're gonna do more dust extraction stuff again. This week we're going to do Oneida's Dust Deputy Bagger. This thing is fantastic. Like most of us, I have a bunch of smaller power tools that I use a shop vac with, right? And the problem with my shop vac is that it only has a 30-liter tank. It's pretty small, and the filtration on it is kind of, it's okay. You know, it's designed so that wet or dry things can go through it, but that means that it gets clogged up quite rapidly, quite easily, quite quickly. There are a whole range of ways to combat this issue. The Dust Deputy being kind of the most famous. This particular kit has that Dust Deputy in it, but it also has some very clever upgrades. It's got a wall mounting bracket that is a very fun and jaunty shade of yellow. Not that that's particularly relevant, but it's nice nonetheless. It also has this upside down bucket, inverted bucket, I guess, and a big old rubber band and some bin liners that come with it. The way it works, which is quite clever, I think, when you turn on the extraction, it actually sucks the bag up into the bucket itself, right? And that actually helps create even more of a vacuum in the whole system. So it actually does work really well. What I think is hilarious is every time I turn the extraction off, the bag kind of gently settles and everything kind of trickles down like it's snowing sawdust inside the bag, and it's so funny. I'm just like, oh, and exhale. The useful thing about the actual bracket with the bin and the whatnot is you can just take the bag off the bucket, tie up the bag, and dispose of it the way you do your normal sawdust. You don't have to actually take your shop vac apart. You don't have to use your shop vac to clean your shop vac, right? And it also separates the actual dust and detritus from the filters in your shop vac. It makes the shop vac run cleaner, run smoother. It's a pre-filtration thing, so literally all it's filtering is the little fine particles. It goes together fairly straightforward. I put mine on a board and then attach the board to the wall rather than putting the actual bagger on itself on the wall, simply because of the way the walls are made in my shop. I've got like a tin shed, and the horizontal bits aren't quite thick enough to take the spacing on the unit itself. But that's, you know, that's just a quick and easy thing to work around if you need to. For everything you need to know to get wood working, check out the links down below in the doobly-doo, or go to our website, www.timacon.com.au. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and if you're new here, all that YouTubey stuff. I'm Phil Shimbine, and I will see you next time. So aggressive, I love it. Oh, hello. That's a very familiar voice.